Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss simple curves, that is open and closed. Simple curve. A simple curve changes direction but does not cross itself while changing its direction. It can be open and closed. We'll give some examples of open simple curve. This is open simple curves. Open simple curves. Open simple curves. And it has two endpoints. Open simple curves is like this. This is open, this is not closed, and it has two endpoints, that is A, B, C, and this is D point. A and D point are two endpoints, and this is open, right? Open curves. It can be also written as like this. Let's see, this is open, that is A, B, C, D, and E. D and C are the two endpoints, therefore it is also open, right? And you can draw a pentagon also like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one, that is A, B, C, D, E, and F, right? That means this is also a open simple curves, right? Now we'll draw the example of closed simple curves. Closed simple curves. Closed simple curves. Closed simple curves has no endpoints, therefore it can be written or drawn as like this. This is a triangle and it is ABC. These are the simple closed simple curves A, B, and C. Or you can draw a rectangle also like this. There is A, B, C, and D. This is example closed simple curves. Or you can draw a pentagon also, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A, B, C, D, E. Therefore, this is a closed simple curves. This is open simple curves, right? There are many examples like this. You can draw open simple curves and closed simple curve, right? Therefore, simple curves, a simple curve changes direction but does not cross itself while changing its direction. It can be open, it can be closed. Here are the examples of open closed curves. You see, in this case, all these are open closed curves. Open is open simple curves, and this is the two end. It has two endpoint A and D. It has two endpoint D and C. It has two endpoint E and D, and it has no endpoint. Closed simple curves. It has a particular area also, right? ABC has a particular area like this. This rectangle has a particular area, contains a fixed region, and this pentagon has also a fixed area, right? Therefore, we have represented the simple curves, that is open simple curves and closed simple curves. This is open simple curves. It has two endpoints. In closed simple curves, there is no endpoints and it has a fixed area ABC, ABCD, and ABCDE. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.